Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are facing FitGirl installation problem, then try this first guys. Before opening the setup folder, check my video description for this video link. Watch this video to download the game correctly and avoid setup errors. And then go to search menu and tap Windows Security and click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and just minimize this page. Double click on the setup folder, double click on the setup and select yes. Select OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music. And if you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box, limit installer to 2 GB of RAM usage. And then make sure nothing is running in the background and select next. And select next. Select the browse option and select the location where you want to save this game. And select OK and select next. And select the install option. After the game installation done, open up the Windows Security we minimized before and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add and exclusion and select folder, and you just need to navigate to the game folder where you saved. I saved in C drive games and here is the game folder. Select it and select folder option, and now the game has been added to this list. Go back and turn on the real-time protection. After turning on, just to close stuff here, uncheck this option, open the site, redirect to the site and select finish option. As you can see, all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here and install the DirectX and Visual C++. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. And you will never face any game related problem, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.